All right, I'm now going to demonstrate how to tie up a horse with a quick release knot to a pole. So what I have here is this is the end with the horse, and then we wrap it around the pole here. We're going to go over and under, and then back through the first one. That way, your horse pulls and it tightens, or you pull this one and it comes off. Next, I'll demonstrate how to do a safety knot tied to a ring. Horse end, open end. Bring it through, grab your open end, and your horse end will tighten. And then to get it off, just like that.